Good morning, guys. This is the current affairs session for 8 October 2019. Well, let's begin. Indian Army organizes Bir Kutum rally in Jammu and Kashmir. So, Bir Kutum rally is being organized in Jammu and Kashmir by Indian Army. Next. The Punjab Food and Civil Supplies Department has directed all the government procurement agency to link the bank accounts of the farmers with the Public Finance Management System (PFMS) portal before the procurement of paddy begins. And this is in news now. And PFMS is administered by the Department of Expenditure and implemented by Controller General of Accounts. It is an end-to-end solution for processing payments, tracking, monitoring, accounting, reconciliation, and reporting. Okay, do remember it? Punjab Food and Civil Supplies Department, and PFMS stands for Public Finance Management System Portal. Next, the Information Fusion Center Indian Ocean Region IFC IOR, which was set up last year, now has started functioning as an information sharing hub of maritime data and queuing incident responses to maritime security situations through a collaborative approach. Okay, and it has been established at the Navy's Information Management and Analysis Center, Information Management and Analysis Center, IMSC, and it is situated in Gurugram. Do remember it. Okay. IMSC is the single point center linking all the coastal radar chains to generate a seamless real-time picture of the nearly 7,500 kilometer coastline. And this area is also been asked many times in the competitive examination, that what is the total area of coastline? That is 7,500 kilometer coastline. Okay, and one important question, that Information Management and Analysis Center, that is IMSC, is situated in Gurugram. Well, guys, if you are enjoying these sessions and if you think that this is going to benefit you for preparing the upcoming competitive examinations, then do subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And you know, sharing is caring. Okay, let's start the next. US astronauts complete first of fifth power upgrade spacewalk. Okay, first of fifth power upgrade spacewalks. And this is this time the about the spacewalks of US astronauts is in news, so do remember it. Next, Ganga Amantran initiative launched by Jal Shakti Minister. And why this initiative? This initiative is to connect stakeholders of the Ganga River and the first effort of National Mission for Clean Ganga. Ganga Amantran is the first effort of National Mission for Clean Ganga, and it is an open water rafting and kayaking expedition that is to be held on the Gangas between 10th October 2019 and 11th October 2019. Do remember the term Ganga Amantran, and is the first effort of National Mission for Clean Ganga. Next, India's Vishnu Nandan will be the only Indian abroad the multidisciplinary drifting observatory for the study of Arctic climate, that is Mosaic expedition. Now Vishnu Nandan is the only Indian there. The focus of Mosaic lies on direct in situ observation of the climate processes that couple the atmosphere, ocean, sea ice, biogeochemistry, and ecosystem. Next, the 39th edition of World Congress of Poets, WCP, is being held at Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology and Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences, KIIT and KISS in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. KIIT is in news because it's been also recognized as an Institute of Excellence this year. Now, this time World Congress of Poets theme is Compassion Through Poetry. Compassion Through Poetry. Do remember the theme, and theme is very important. And this is the third time WCP is being hosted in India. Previously, it was already held in Chennai in 1986 and 2007. Okay, this time in Bhubaneswar. Next, the exercise Nomadic Elephant 14. Nomadic Elephant 14. And this is the 14th edition of Indo-Mongolian Joint Military Training, has commenced from 6th October 2019, and it is conducted over a period of 14 days from 6 to 18 October at Baklo, Himachal Pradesh. So, Nomadic Elephant 14th edition of the Indo-Mongolian Joint Military Training is commenced at Baklo, Himachal Pradesh. Okay, and this is being conducted for a period of 14 days from 6 to 18 October. Next, Wildlife Week is celebrated in India from 2nd to 8th October every year. And what is its aim? Its aim is to preserve the fauna. This means the animal life of India. Next, Novak Djokovic won the 2019 Japan Open title on 6th October. And you already know that who is Novak Djokovic. He is the world number 1. And he has defeated Australian qualifier John Millman to win this Japan Open title. Well guys, these are the selected and most important current affairs for today. Do prepare them, to revise them. Okay, these are very important. Now coming to the today's question from last class, and today's question is, the Union government has launched Prakash Portal. Okay, Prakash Portal to monitor the supply of option A, coal, option B, oil, option C, gold, option D, none of the above. To comment your answer, and I know that you can answer it correctly. Okay, and if you have not already gone through the yesterday's current affair, then I'm giving the link below. Go through it. Well, I'm posting the answer in the topmost comment in the description below also. Then guys, meet you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.